What does UwU mean in texting or internet slang?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on internet lingo. Today we're delving into the exciting world of text-based expressions, specifically focusing on one that you might have stumbled across, UwU. We're going to discuss its origin, meaning, and how you can use it in your day-to-day internet interactions.
What does UwU mean?
In the world of internet slang, UwU, pronounced UwU, is an emoticon. It's a way to express an emotion through text and has become a staple in internet culture, especially in online communities like gaming, anime, and fanfiction. This particular emoticon represents a cutesy, happy expression. Think of it as the text version of an excited, adoring face. The U's can be seen as closed eyes, while the W forms a small, contented smile. The use of UwU usually indicates excitement, affection, or adoration towards something or someone.
Where did UwU originate?
The exact origin of UwU is somewhat nebulous, as is the case with most internet slang. However, it is often attributed to online communities related to anime and manga. These spaces are known for creating and popularizing text-based emoticons due to their unique style of visual storytelling, which often involves exaggerated facial expressions. The term UwU has since grown beyond these niches and is now commonly used across various online platforms including social media, chat rooms, forums, and even in online games.
How and when to use UwU?
The beauty of UwU, like most emoticons, is its versatility. You can use it to respond to a cute picture, a heartwarming story, or even a flattering comment. It's all about conveying that sense of joy, delight, or admiration. Here's an example for you. Friend, I just adopted a new kitten. UwU, that's so sweet. Can't wait to see her. Just remember, as with any slang or emoticon, context is key. UwU is best used in informal, casual conversations, and may not be appropriate for more professional or formal settings. That's it for our exploration of UwU. It's one of many emoticons that have evolved with internet culture, and it's a fun and expressive tool to have in your online communication arsenal. We hope this video has helped to demystify this popular internet slang term. Keep chatting, keep expressing, and remember, there's always more to learn in the dynamic world of internet lingo. Until next time.